Maggie, come here. See this hole right here? See this hole right there? Yeah, that woodpecker goes. Yeah, the woodpecker. Anyway, see this hole right here, honey?
Mm-hmm.
Hey, that's a woodpecker hole right there.
Wow.
There's another one. She just crawled up there.
Yeah, I see. There, okay, now I got it. Real close.
There's another woodpecker over in that tree over there.
Now you can really see the silhouette. He's in perfect position right now. You see him?
Yeah, I see him. Okay, you just sat there looking. Oh,
I heard the other one.
There's woodpeckers all over the place. Now he jumped back. I just knew he goes. There he goes. There he goes.
Ooh, wow, look at that one.
Right there. Show me the hole. See the hole right there? See the hole right there? See it?